We'll guide you through how to make circle mask in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to highlight or focus on a specific part of their video using the circular mask effect. It is commonly used in tutorials, product demos, and edits to draw attention. Since Premiere Pro doesn't have a direct circle mask tool, users look for simple ways to create this effect. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File from the top menu to access the import options. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the media file you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file has been successfully imported, locate it in the project panel. Drag the media clip from the project panel onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This clip will be the base footage where you will apply the circle mask effect. Next, go to the Effects panel, which contains various visual effects that you can apply to your video. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Magnify to quickly locate the effect. When the Magnify effect appears in the search results, drag it onto the media layer in the timeline to apply it to your clip. Once the effect has been applied, go to the Effect Controls panel, where you can adjust all the parameters of the Magnify effect. Scroll down in the Effect Controls panel until you find the Magnify section. This section contains the settings that control the appearance of the circular Magnify effect. Start by adjusting the magnification value. For example, set it to 100, depending on how strong you want the effect to appear. Then change the blending mode to none so the effect displays clearly without blending with the original footage. After that, adjust the size value according to your needs to control how large the circular area appears on the screen. Next, click on the Magnify section to activate the on-screen controls. This allows you to directly manipulate the position of the Magnify circle in the program monitor. Move your cursor to the program monitor and drag the circle to the desired area of your video.